Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Congratulations are in order to Otia Smith Buthelezi njengoba ayitolo sifole mntwana guys, and ujabule ngendlela lesimanga, including her friends. They are so happy for her, man. Ushilo mara ku last vlog yakhe ukuthi she can pop any minute from now, just ukuthi njena akakhulelwa, meaning ukuthi vele nokurevila ukuthi she's pregnant. Urevile sekana 9 months esekade uba nemntwana, and guess what, uthole mntwana on on her husband's birthday, and uyasho nje ukuthi she's very happy, she's very grateful, and God's timing, man, it's amazing. It is amazing. Into vele tendeke ngalinye indlela mani empilweni yathi ya kuthi upregnant uthole ngelanga le kwashona ngaloma kwakhe, mntwana wamthola ngebirthday yendodzi yakhe. Man, it can only be God. I swear to you, it can only be God. And she did reveal ukuthi ayena nemini wakhe, they've been trying for a child for quite some time now, for a very long time, and we are so happy, man. God is amazing, and he works in mysterious ways. Uyalalela mthandazo, I swear uyawulalela mthandazo, and yembethe bantu hlezi atisula njalo. Congratulations Mrs. and Mr. Buthelezi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.